packing box, pen multimeter, manual, watch, pen, needle accessories. Battery installation. Open the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. Turn on the screen backlight, and the clear interface is clear at a glance. Non-contact sensing. When a nearby power source is sensed, a beep sounds and a red light flashes. Turn on the flashlight and don't be afraid of the dark. Zero live detection. If the fire line is detected, it will make a beep and flash a red light, and the silent sound will be the zero line. Line breakpoint detection. The tip of the pen is checked along the road, and the stop of the beep is the breakpoint position. DC voltage. Automatically identify the voltage, and the pen can contact the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. AC voltage. Automatically identify the voltage. Frequency. Switch to the frequency mode, and operate as shown in the video. Resistance. Automatically identify the resistance, and the pen can contact both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. A beep sounds, and a red light is on, indicating that it is normally unobstructed. Silent sound is damaged. Diodes. Switch to diode mode and touch both ends of the diode. Capacitance. A short circuit discharge is required before the test. Switch to the capacitive mode, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor.